Hey David, in this training, I will go over how to modify what contact roles exist. So when a lead is converted into an opportunity, some contact roles will automatically be created, and those roles have certain roles that they can take on. For example, if I wanted to manually create a contact role, I could come in, select a contact, and I would be able to choose which role that contact had. So I have here additional seller, additional broker, seller two, title, inspections, HOA. So I try to include pretty much every contact role that I thought that you would need. But if you want to edit these, you can, and you can also change the automation that is tied to this automatic contact role creation. So when a lead is converted, we have a process builder that I will walk through in more depth in another video. But essentially when a lead is converted and it has additional seller information or additional broker information on top of that primary contact, what's happening is a contact itself is being created with that information that is captured in the underwriting tool and pushed through onto the lead. So you can also see here that the deal is also stamped on that contact, which is important for this next step. So a lead is converted, the contacts themselves are created. And we have another flow here that says when a contact is created, we will look to see if they have a deal associated with them, and also what if they were a broker or if they were an additional seller or an additional broker, that will be captured as well. And this is where the contact role itself is created. And you can see here that we've selected the role here of additional seller. So here you can say that you can see that this additional seller checkbox is true on this contact, which happens upon lead conversion based on the fields on the lead where it is captured. So I'll quickly show you what that looks like on the lead. So on a lead, when all of this is pushed in, we will have our primary contact, our primary contact phone and email. And then down here, we can have additional seller information, additional broker information, and more additional seller information. And again, when a lead is converted and these fields are populated, that automatically will create a contact, which will automatically create a contact role. So if you do want to edit those roles, you would go into your you would go into your setup, and this actually isn't a standard object. So go into the setup home menu and you will see contact roles on opportunities here as an option. And this is where you control all of your options here. You can see that I've deactivated some values, but I've marked the primary contact as your default. And then other than that, you can create these as needed. If you do want any of those contacts to be added to the deal with a different role than they have right now, or you want to add on to that, that would take place after you added a contact role in the process builder that we went over. So let me know if you have any more questions about this. Thanks.